Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In today's video, we will talk about functions like functions related to input, output, and we will use that in some data transformation work that we will directly do in our Python environment, that is we are using is Jupyter Notebook. So whatever code I will write here, whatever code you will be seeing here in this video, each and everything will be given to you in the comment section of this video, so that you can directly copy from here, paste it in either VS Code or either Jupyter Notebook or either not VS Collab, sorry, Google Colab, and do your practice session out there. So the main question right now is like, what is this function and all? So function is like kind of a code which can be reused again and again. Why are we reusing a code? So that we can reduce the repetition. ठीक है, repetition reduce मतलब क्या, mistake creation will be less, because anyhow we are human being and human being will create mistake. That's 100% true. And what other thing I would say, yeah, organize logic properly and also transform the data very easily in our data frame, right? That is the main use. Why are we learning functions? ठीक है, simple as it is. So first thing first, we will talk about the theoretical part, we will talk something about the practical part, then we will jump into our Python environment, that is Jupyter Notebook, and work on some practical examples using the data frame, right? So we will create a data frame. I have the data frame right here. I will just copy and paste it. I have already created a data frame here in this. I will copy and paste it and show you then and there how the thing work behind the scene. First thing first, what is a function? Function is simply a block of code that performs a specific task. Let me write it here. Definition. What is a function? ठीक है, let's write the definition. Function is what? Function is block of code that better to say perform a specific task. Perform a specific task. ठीक है, and if the task is repetitive, that's a repetitive task. If the task is related to calculation, that is a calculation task, but it is anyhow a specific task, right? So this is the definition of it. And what is the syntax for it? How to write the syntax and all? Very simple. Let me show you here syntax and the parameters. Syntax used is def, simple def. Then we have to write what function name, and function name can be anything. Whatever function name you want to write, you can write your wish, and this function name will be defined with the code. So whatever code you will write here, and in the output you write the same function name, what will happen? Same code will work. How is it possible? Let's go into the Python environment and do it. Suppose I write def testing. Okay, I have written def testing. Then I will write keep print. I will say testing functions for YouTube. ठीक है, simple. Execute it. ठीक, execution done. Right now what I will write? I will write test here. Wait, what I am doing? I am just calling the function name. ठीक है, this is what, this is a function name which I am calling, and when I call the function name, this is what we have received, testing function for YouTube. ठीक है, this is what we have received. Wait, that is related to YouTube. ठीक है, simple as it is. So any doubts still? I hope there is no doubt still here. In case if you have any doubts, you can directly join my live stream that we conduct each and every day on my YouTube channel free of cost. Just join there. I will personally help you out with your doubts related to this topic or related to Python, SQL, Power BI. I will help you out by sharing the screen and nothing. There is no, what we say. People have asked like, do we have to take membership for it? No, no need to take membership to ask questions in my live stream. Just join my live stream and ask your doubts, right? So after this, you have seen how the things work. Right now, if you have seen my this first part, it is like input, output, and data transformation. So right now what we will do, we will talk about the inputs in a function. Okay, what is inputs in a function? Input means the value that we pass inside a function is called input inside a function. Okay, let me write the definition here. Second, related to input. What is the meaning of input, right? In simple words, I would say input means the value that we pass. Simple, I would say value that we pass inside a function. Okay, simple, value that we pass inside a function is called input. How to do it? Let's jump into the Python environment. Okay, suppose I write, let's do some maths. Suppose I write a function name like I will say do square. Okay, simple, and I will write inside this I will write number. Okay, like this I have created a function do square and inside I have written number. What it will do? What is the code that I want? Code is number into number. Okay, executed. Right now what I will do? I will write do square sq, oh sorry, let me just inside, see what it is saying, do square missing one required positional agreement number. Here we have to give a number, right? Suppose I need 2 ka square, I have written 2, execute, I have received 4. Okay, if I do 9.34, this is what we will receive. This is the function and this is what we will get in the output. So this is a repetitive thing that we are doing. Okay, and function name whatever you want, you can give your wish, no worries about it. Okay, so here the number is what is the input, like the number that I have written here is the input, right? And the function that is do square uses the input to find the output. Simple. Anything else? Okay, right now let's move to the outputs in function. Okay, let's write what it is all about. Third, we need to talk about outputs. Okay, what is output? Output means the result returned by the function. Okay, simple word I would say the results returned by the function is called what? Output. ठीक है, simple. So let's do it. Here we will use a term called return. ठीक है, and here the syntax is slightly changed. Let me write it. Syntax def, I will write function name inside this you have to give what? Parameter, whatever number you want. After this what you will write? You will write return like this. Okay, you will write return like this and whatever code you want you can do it. Suppose I want to do something. Suppose I want to multiply two digits. Here I will write a comma b, and what I will do here 2 comma 3. ठीक है. Suppose I write like this, what will happen? And okay, here this is not there. What will happen after this? You will simply say, in the next cell you will say, suppose I like a result, then I will write the function name. Function name, what is the function name all about? Function name here. Okay, the same function name is only there. Let's write the function name. Then we write two things here. That is, suppose I write 4 and 5, and I will say print result. What will happen? Output will be 20, right? Output will be what? 20. Simple as it is. And you might be thinking, okay, earlier we have just written print, here we are doing returns. What's the difference, or what's the use of it? Simple meaning, I would say print only shows the result, okay, and return sends the result back to where we want to store it. Simple as it is, okay. That is the thing. And related to data transformation, we will do the actual practical part, and we will create a data frame. Let me show you here. Let me create a data frame first. I have already kept it. Okay, I have written twice. Okay, done. I will just add 2-3 cells here. Yeah. If I write df, this is the output. Suppose what I want to do, I want to add some bonus mark here. Okay. Suppose I want to add bonus mark. Okay. What I will do, I will create a function. Let's create a function. def bonus mark is the function name, and in this I will write marks. Okay. After this, what I will say, I will tell return. Okay, let's write return. Then I will say marks. Okay, let's say marks plus 10. Okay, 10. That's it, and execute it. Function created. Here, what I will create a new column. Column name is, okay. Here I will say df, and I will say the column name. Okay, this is the column name. Okay, this is the column name. In this I will say apply the function bonus mark. Oops, sorry. Right now, what will happen in this bonus mark? Let me write it here. We have given this function in apply, right? What will happen right now? In this marks section, we have told this column should be there. Okay, this column will be there, and what will happen with this column? Whatever data will be added, whatever data is there, it will be added to 10. Okay. Right now you see what will happen. Execute it and then print df. See what's the output? Marks, bonus added marks, and this is the thing. Simple as it is. Or you can, whatever you want, you can write it here. It is not like the marks column is there, so I have written marks. I can write anything here. I can write anything, your wish, because you are creating function. But make sure in return, whatever data you want to return, make sure the data should be here plus whatever you want to add. Okay, simple as it is. Then you will write dot apply bonus mark. ठीक है, because this is the function name. That's it. So it is a kind of, I would say, Python code that we have created, and in input output, uh, you would say input is the marks column value. Let me write it here. Input is what? Is the marks column value. What is the output? Output is the updated marks. And after that, what we have, do we have anything? No, that's it. And we have functions that work. Functions that made this two thing work. That's it, nothing else, simple as it is. And if you want to do something, we have done all the things related to number. Suppose I want to do something related to name. ठीक है, suppose I want uppercase of all the name. What I will do, I will write def uppercase. Inside this I will write data. ठीक है, then what I will do, return whatever data I will put, just give the uppercase. ठीक है, that's it. Right now I will say df, sorry, I will write uppercase name. In this, what I will do, I will write df, then I will write name, the column name, sorry, what happened, okay, name, then I will apply the function. ठीक है, execute, no error, then I will write df. See, all the data that we have here in the name are in uppercase format. ठीक है, so it is not like कि only with the numbers you can do, you can also do with the this thing related to the string, related to object, related to anything, you can use function. That is the main motive to show you here. And what's the input and output? Input is the name data, simple string data. Output is the new transform column that we have seen here, uppercase, and after that transformation related to the function has been done here, simple, related to data transformation I'm saying. So before closing the video, I would say if you found this video helpful, please click on the like button, and if you have any doubts related to this topic, please share, I mean, you can share your doubts in the comment section in my mail id. Also, better it would be to join my live stream and ask me doubts, which is free of cost. I will be personally helping you out by sharing the screen, writing in the whiteboard about your doubts, and doubts can be from anything, doesn't matter, it should be from this topic. You can ask your doubts from SQL, Python, Power BI, anything you want to. And also, if you know someone who want to explore the maths that is involved in data domain, please share this video to them. It would be really helpful. So that's all about it. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying.